Awesome, guys. So now that you've created your profile, created your build and everything, now you get to really explore the site fully. Right now, our home screen, it's going to tell you what we're all about and a little introduction video that we made when we did a trip out to Reno. Right now, we're going to be having builds and groups and followers, and it's going to keep growing as we go. Here's our slogan, Build, Share, Grow, and it tells you all about it. We want to build the vehicles you have always wanted and inspire those who are still looking to build theirs one day. Share your progress and knowledge with the community, see the impact you can have on those you have inspired, and grow yourself and the community one build at a time. Help us achieve that by sharing your story. Sharing your story is truly just making a profile on here for people to explore and see what kind of suspension, everything, body panels, all that people have used, and people can get a visual idea of what theirs will look like as they plan their build out. Just going through the home screen. Now, if you want to join our newsletter, or I can send you guys emails with anything promotions going on. You'll just enter it there. If you need to contact us, here's our email, and then gear and apparel. To see all the builds going on to the site, you're going to go here to builds. Now, once it loads, on the right side where it shows new builds, you'll see the newest members join. All right, it's going to do the newest ones. Now, if you are looking specifically for Toyota Tacoma, Toyota, and it's going to search first for Toyota. Now we're going to go to Tacoma. So it should filter out all the 4Runners, all the Dodges, all the Chevys, and whoever put their make and model, all the Toyota Tacomas are going to pop up here. Now if you have, like I specifically have a 2006, so I know that 2005 to 2010 are going to be the same. So, but I want to see specifically 2006. So let's go to 2006s. So we have 6 builds. Obviously 2 of them are ours. But we have 2006 Toyota Tacomas, and if I wanted to get an idea of these 2006s and what he did for his pre-runner right here, I would click on his profile and I could see everything he did and what I might want to do to mine. So this is one way that you get to filter through and see, what Toyota 4Runner there is. There we go. Toyota 4Runner. Now let's see also. See, spaces don't matter. So Toyota 4Runner right here is going to be an option. Or again, if you just want to see Toyotas in general, right here, 2006 Toyotas. Or if you don't want to see a year, put it back to select year. And there you go. All the Toyotas will pop up. There are lots of pages, and we'll get better as we build. But right now, this is going to be your filter. And so let's go. Right now, we're working on the function of events. So there is going to be a create an event. Let's say, offroad.net is hosting an event in Colorado in April. Well, you would search the dates if you were visiting Colorado, all of March. I'll be in Colorado for all of March. Well, I want to look for meetups or off-road racing, off-road trail riding, and what state you want to search. And based on that information, all the events occurring in these dates in this state of Colorado, and maybe you want to see all the events going on. All the events will pop up on this screen for you, so you can find out details on maybe March 28th of 2020. There is going to be a meetup up in the Rocky Mountains that you want to attend. Well, this is where you can find that information and the contact information for who to contact, so that way you can attend that event and maybe meet some people you didn't know and see what's kind of out there, because I know I travel a couple states around in the year, and I don't know who to contact or where to find events that are happening in that state at that particular time. So we're working on this part. If you do want to create an event, you just hit this add event, fill out a profile, and we go through each event to make sure it's can be approved. Articles right now, we're in the process of getting articles published here. So this will be where you can read news articles or events and how they went and everything like that. Then we have our store. And currently, we're going to be going through kind of a makeover and everything like that, and getting new apparel and new stickers, new decals, new patches, hats, beanies. We'll be doing all of that here shortly. But as of right now, as it sits, I got the shirts, decals, and patches. Our photos will be being adjusted here shortly. But yeah, you just go through right here. You can filter it however you'd like, find a price range, search a product, or products you might like that just kind of fit what you've been looking at. And as you can see, there's coming soon items. And then if you want to know more about us right here or follow us, you can. And again, you have your profile right here, shopping cart, and so forth. So hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have questions or anything, you know where to find me. You guys can contact me down below. Or if you want to be part of a newsletter as well, go ahead and join in. Have fun, create builds, and I'll talk to you guys here soon.